How to clear caches of the any browser. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to clear caches on the browser. So before that, it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. And firstly, make sure you are connected with the internet, and then what you can do is you can open your settings of your device, and then scroll down, and then you can see the apps. Click on the apps, and here you can see the manage apps, second option. Click on the manage apps, and from this, here you can choose the any of the browser. In my case, there is only one browser, Chrome. So let's see, I search it, so here it is available. So click on this, and to clear caches, you can see the storage option. Click on the storage, and here you can see the caches. So clear caches. So in the most bottom you can see the clear data. Click on the clear data, and here you can see the second option, clear caches. Click on the clear caches, and you can see the OK button or cancel. Click on the OK button in the bottom, and here you can see the caches is no more available, no more here. So that's basically it, that how you can clear caches of the any browser. You can search for the any browser here if you have Safari browser or any other browser, and then you can follow the same process and you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.